Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to hard reset a Whisker litter robot 4. To hard reset a Whisker litter robot 4, there are some steps to follow. For that, first of all, you have to unplug the power cord of your litter robot 4 from the power outlet. This will ensure the safety during the reset process. After that, you have to leave the litter robot unplugged for about 10 minutes. The waiting period allows the internal capacitor to discharge fully and then clear the memory. While waiting for the 10 minutes, you can optionally open and close the globe of the litter robot manually. This action helps ensure that any potential blockage or stuck litter are cleared. After the 10-minute waiting period, plug the litter robot 4 back into the power outlet. Once it's plugged in, you need to perform a reset sequence to clear error and reset the device. For that, you have to press and hold the empty button located on the control panel of the litter robot. While holding the empty button, briefly press and release the reset button, which is a small button located near the power switch. After pressing the reset button, continue to hold the empty button for 10 seconds and then release it. Then the robot will now go through a startup sequence where it initializes its internal components. It may take few minutes. You have to wait for few minutes. After that, once the initialization is complete, the litter robot should reset to its default setting. Now you can test its operation to see if issue has been resolved or not. Hopefully this video will help you to hard reset your Whisker litter robot 4. Thanks for watching.